Hello everyone, hello and welcome to my video. This is a new series, new video series that I am starting off with this first video. If you don't know why I am doing this, so let me share. Uh, I am on mission to educate, empower mechanical design engineers with the skill of design automation using NX Open so that they can develop some programs and also implement the digital solutions into their workplace for themselves, for their teams, for their projects, so that they can improve the productivity at workplace. So this is a mission that I would like to live, and that's why I am creating several videos to spread awareness on NX Open. So let's get started. In this video series, I will be focusing on block styler. So the examples that I am picking up are from sample NX Open applications. So every one of you who has installed NX on your PC, you will definitely able to find this particular folder called sample NX Open applications into the root directory, into the installation directory. So what you have to do is you have to locate this folder and you copy this folder into some other place where you are working and either creating journals or creating some NX Open program. So you can copy that entire folder and put it where you can work on it. Do not work on the C drive itself, which is a root folder or installation directory where this folder is actually exists. So you make a copy of that and then you are good to work on this. So once you copy it, I will be picking up this .NET folder, and inside this .NET folder, this is a block styler folder. And now in this first video itself, I will pick up the first example. So example name is block calling block. If you don't know what is block and what is dialog, let me explain in a very brief manner, in a brief way. Inside NX, if we go and open any of the feature, uh, let's say this one. If I open it, it opens a dialog. This is called a dialog. This entire thing is called a dialog. And in this dialog, we can see this is the first block and this is the second block. Actually, this entire rectangle in this dialog is called a group, and inside this group there is one dialog, and there is another group inside which there is one more block. So this is called block, and this entire thing is called dialog. Now I am coming back to the program example itself. Here, this particular example is in C sharp. So you will find these two files. One is sub dialog and another is top level dialog. So what I have done is I have opened this CS project file. This is the blocking block. This project file I have opened in Visual Studio. And you can see once I opened it in Visual Studio, I can even find these two files, solution sub dialog and top level dialog into the Explorer solution explorer itself. Now, before I run this run this program, I have to create a DLL file. But before I create a DLL file, I have to go here and provide the complete path for a DLX file instead of providing just file name. So if I go to the folder location again, here you will find there are two DLX files. These are the block styler files. So I will pick up this folder location. I will copy the path of this top level dialog.dlx file and I will go and replace that here. Double quotes are already there, so I just need to remove the earlier double quotes. Okay, we got it. Now maybe I need to change the slash from backward slash to forward slash. Okay, so it's done. Now similarly, we will do the same thing in sub dialog. Here as well, I will go and copy the file path. I will replace it with this, like this. And again, I need to change the backward slash to forward slash. This I am doing in this particular function called subdialog. In both the CS files, I have done it in the same function, subdialog. There is no other place where we need to do this particular change. So that's it. We are done. Now I will just rebuild this solution so that DLL file is created. Now if I go to the folder inside bin, inside debug, I can find this DLL block, call it block.dll. Now I will copy this file path and what I will do is I will open this sample block.prd in NX window. So I have opened this in my NX window. Now I will use Control U, that is a shortcut for executing the DLL file, and will give the path to DLL file. We'll locate this DLL file and press OK. Now the first dialog has been launched. Okay, this is the first block which asks us for a color. Then this is a button. I will click on this select face button. This select face button is triggering the initiation of second block. So this is a second, not block, dialog. So this is a second dialog. And it is asking me to select the face. So I will pick up a face and you see we are back to the first dialog. So you know that block styler can create the custom dialog which contains custom blocks as per our needs. But this particular example explains, demonstrates how we can navigate from one dialog to another dialog. So if you wanted to see it again, let me cancel this and let me relaunch this. This is the first dialog. which is called test dialog 2. The first option is we select a color and then we press on a button to select the face. Once the face is selected, it comes back to the first dialog with the details of face. This is what happens. If I click on select face again, it will go to the next dialog and it will ask me to select the face. Once selected, I can come back and you can see two faces are listed down. And now maybe I have done something wrong. The color of this particular face is changed. Okay, let me do it one more time. This is the first dialog. Color is chosen. Then I am going to select face, first face. Then again I am going to select face, second face, and then yeah. So it is automatically applied and the color to the selected face is changed. So this is how you can explore, try out block block calling block example inside block styler. Thank you and bye bye.